Hello everyone, Chris Byrd, store manager from MarineMax here at Grand Lake. We've got some exciting news that we want to share with you. We were looking for an opportunity to take our operation sales and service to the next level. We wanted to grow it, we wanted to expand it, and that journey has come full circle, and it has led us to the shores of Tera Miranda Resort here on Monkey Island. We are making the announcement that MarineMax will be relocating to Monkey Island. We'll be partnering with Tera Miranda on a long-term basis. What that looks like to you, the customer, is as of April 1st, we have taken over the service operations here at Tera Miranda Resort, and at the same time, we'll be running our operation out of Harbors View Marina. The second phase of that is we will be moving our entire operation, sales, service, parts, everything to Tera Miranda, likely this fall. We have huge plans to build a state-of-the-art sales center here on the highway. We're so excited to be partnering with Tera Miranda. They've been wonderful to work with so far, and we look forward to a long-standing career with Tera Miranda.